Chapter 4 Ancient Civilizations. This module introduced the prominent civilization of Egypt. Besides the Mesopotamia, the China, the Greek, and the Roman civilizations also have been introduced. The contributions of all these civilizations have been briefly described. The Egyptian civilization. Egypt is the first civilization of the ancient world. This civilization took birth on the banks of the river Nile. The Nile is regarded as the longest river in the world. It is north-flowing river in Africa which joins the Mediterranean Sea. If the Nile had not flown through Egypt, it would have been a desert. Thus, Egypt is considered as the gift of Nile. The political history of Egyptian civilization. Egypt witnessed the rise of political dynasties about 5,400 years ago. The king of Egypt called pharaohs. Menes was the first pharaoh. His capital was Memphis. Among all the pharaohs after Menes, Khufu, Menhotep and Thamos were prominent. So now let us study what is pyramid. Pyramid is a large structure built especially in ancient Egypt that usually has a square base and four triangular sides meeting at a point and that contains tombs. The largest pyramid of Giza is called the Pyramid of Khufu, which was built by Khufu. Thutmose was the greatest conqueror among all the later pharaohs. His daughter Hatshepsut came to power after him and came to be known as the first empress of the world. Finally, about 2300 years ago, Alexander the Great conquered Egypt. He appointed his military general Ptolemy as his representative. Later, Ptolemy declared himself the king of Egypt and established the Ptolemaic dynasty. The popular queen Cleopatra was the last ruler of this dynasty. Eventually, Egypt became a province of Rome. Now let us study the contributions of Egyptian civilization. Wheat and barley were the food crops of the people of Egypt. The water Nile was used for agriculture through canals. The conditions of slaves were very pathetic. The people of Egypt believed in life after death, so they preserved the dead bodies. The preserved dead bodies was called mummy. In the ancient Egypt, each city had its own guardian goddess. Sun and rivers were considered and worshipped as gods. The Egyptian script is known as hieroglyphics, which means sacred writing. They used ink to write on papyrus grass growing in river Nile. They had enormous knowledge of geometry, which was used in building of large pyramids. That's all for today. Thank you.